Well, we got a big bucket of monster trucks here, and we are at the park. They are gonna pick their monster trucks. Then we're gonna play monster truck hide and go seek at the park. You guys are all gonna hide, and I'm gonna come and sniff you out. Oh, I smell something. Yeah! I hit the monster truck jackpot. It's the zombie. Oh boy, I found it. Yeah! I found Limo Grave Digger and Sharkery. See anything down there? Come on, let's go look. Yeah! I found you, Dragon! Dragon, you're the champion! Oh, it landed in the bucket! You guys, we got a new game. You gotta make the monster trucks into the bucket. Alright, who's next? Oh, score! Oh, almost! See what you got, zombie. Almost! Oh! I landed on his wheels! Almost! And zombie landed on its wheels. Oh, score! Nice work, bro. All right, you guys. Welcome to the show. We got a big bucket of monster trucks here, and we are at the park. We got this triple slide right here. Woo! Whoa! And they are gonna slide the monster trucks down the slide. All of them. You guys ready? 3, 2, 1, go! Woo! Whoever goes the farthest is the winner. Oh, King Crunch. Let's see more. Oh, what? All right, look out. Here comes Scooby-Dooby-Doo. And Exterminator. Oh! Grave Digger's the winner so far. Oh, look at that. Oh my gosh, the Jester is the winner, you guys. Look at this. The Jester went way farther than any of them. All right, you guys, so you ready to pick a monster truck and play monster truck hide and seek at the park? Yeah! All right, pick your monster truck, okay? All right, you guys, they are gonna pick their monster trucks. Then we're gonna play monster truck hide and go seek at the park. We're gonna drive around and search for the monster trucks where they hide them, okay? Everyone can have 2 monster trucks, okay?
I already have 2 monster trucks.
All right. Oh, he's already got 2, but you can have 1 more too if you want. That one counts as 1. Oh, it's so hard. Axel can't decide between
He has 3 monster trucks.
Crunch here. Denton picked the monster truck, Grave Digger Limousine, and Sharkery there.
He's eating them.
So Scarlett picked Scooby-Doo there, and she picked Exterminator. You picked Max T and the zombie. It's a zombie. All right, y'all. Y'all ready to start the show?
Yeah.
So you guys are all gonna hide, and I'm gonna come and sniff you out. Whoever I sniff out last is the winner.
Yeah.
How's that sound?
Good.
All right. I'm gonna count to 60, and you all go hide. Get to hiding. You better go.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10,
59, 60. Ready or not, here I come.
Yeah, but
All right, you guys, I'm gonna find your monster trucks. Sniffing it out. Under here? Nope, not under here. Oh, I smell something. Under there. Oh boy, I found one. Oh, I found it. I found a dinosaur monster truck. Yeah. Oh boy, you want to crash? You ready? You got some real serious horns there. Ow. All right, I gotta go find the other monster truck. See you later. Oh, anything under here? I don't see anything. Do you see anything? Nope. Let's keep looking. Oh, I smell something in here. Yeah! I hit the monster truck jackpot. I found Max D. I found Scooby-Dooby-Doo. And I found that Exterminator. Oh boy, this is a good hiding spot. All right. Now I gotta go find the rest. a sharp eye out. Tell me if you see anything, all right? See anything down there? Come on, let's go look. Well, nothing down here. Come on, let's keep looking.
Oh, dude.
Ooh, kind of dark in here.
That's a monster.
Hey, no, it's a dead monster. No, I'm getting eaten by the dead monster. Oh, I escaped.
You're really close.
Sniffing around. Oh no, wait, I smell something. Oh no, that's just stinky feet. I smell something else. Oh, stinky feet. Ew, it's the stinky monster. Ew, it's licking me. Look, I got a tongue too. Oh, I smell something in here. It's so dark though.
Gotcha, monster.
I smell something. I don't know, what is that? You guys come on in here with me. Let's see if we can find anything. I see something. It's the zombie. Oh boy, I found it. Yeehaw! Come on out here, zombie. Oh. I found you, zombie. Oh, that was a great hiding spot, man. Yeehaw! All right, I still got 4 more monster trucks. Come on, let's go.
Brain. I want your brain.
No, you can't have my brain. Come on, let's go up this slide and see if he's in there. Oh, hey, it's you again. Man, I'm still looking for the other monster trucks. What is that? It's an Axel monster.
No,
Run!
it's a zombie.
Back down the slide. Oh, maybe there's something in here. Come on. Do you see anything? Oh, it's Gravedigger! I see you, Gravedigger! I still gotta find the dragon. Come on, let's go. Nothing in there. Man, they're hit real good.
Where is dragon?
Oh boy! Yeah! I hit the monster truck jackpot again! Ho-ho! I found Limo, Gravedigger, and Sharkery. Oh man, I got one more monster truck. Yeah! I found the dragon! Dragon, you're the champion! Alright, you guys, so is that some fun monster truck hide and go seek?
Yes.
Yeah! Alright, so now we are gonna play hide and go seek with just us. I'm gonna count, and these boys are gonna go hide. I'm gonna try to find them. Base is this whole thing right here, this side of this wall. Whoever I get last has to count next time, alright? You ready? You guys hide good, okay? Alright, you guys count with me and we'll go find them, okay? 1, 2, 3.
4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10,
39, 40. Ready or not, here I come. Come on, let's go find them. Where are they? Oh man, Michael! Oh no, I see it already. Can't find that. You're it. Got Denton. All right, you guys, it's Denton's turn to count. I got River now. We're all gonna go hide. All right, you guys go hide. Let's do it. Come on, you guys hide with us. Let's find a good spot. Let's hurry up. Don't want him to find us. Gotta go up here. He already found us. But he's gotta catch us too. Come on, try to catch me. Woohoo! Come on, Riv, let's go. You can't get us now! Woohoo! Alright, who wants to count next? Alright, guys, Michael's gonna count. Denton's got the camera.
Oh, count the
Denton's gonna take you guys and hide, okay? Can you take him and hide somewhere, Denton?
Yes.
Alright, go take him and hide somewhere. Alright, so Den got tagged. Alright, you gonna slide down? Ready? Go. Oh! Alright, let's see Michael do it. Ready? Go. Oh, nice. Here goes Denton.
Let's have it.
Woo! Alright, now it's Scarlett's turn. Ready? Slide down. Whoa! Oh, I gotcha. Alright, now Axel's gonna do it by himself. Ready?
Ready, set, go.
Nice. Alright.
Denton, you against
Denton Axel against the legless, armless man. Bring it on. You can't bring me down.
Yeah, we can.
Never! Ha! No one can bring me down. No one can bring me down. Alright, you guys, we had so much fun playing hide and go seek with those monster trucks. Isn't it cool to hide things like that and then have to go and find them? And it's such a surprise whenever you figure out where you finally was hidden. Well, you guys get out and use your imaginations to find creative ways to live your life and love everyone around you. No matter what you have, no matter where you are, you can have fun just like you see us doing every day if you just use your imagination. And be sure to hit that thumbs up button and the subscribe button if you guys want to see more of our videos. We'll see you later. Bye!